By the world fan rising, EJ's Magic looking for the leader. Here comes Don Enrico in between horses Playmaker and running along fourth way Angel, around the outside Sunline, Henry VIII, Son of Silence, while Conquista Royale is running in the tail of the field. And going along for the first turn is EJ's Magic, leads by Sam 3 lengths, followed by Playmaker. Don Enrico now from the outside third, 5 lengths away fourth way Angel. And into the back they travel, EJ's Magic. Here comes the outstanding favorite, Don Enrico. And passing the half mile, it's now Don Enrico, leads by 5 lengths, followed by EJ's Magic. And 2.5 lengths in third is Playmaker. And here comes Henry VIII and Sound of Silence. And passing the 600, it's Don Enrico, leads by flank, followed by EJ's Magic. Henry VIII is coming into the race too. And inside the last 400, Don Enrico, Henry VIII, now the outside EJ's Magic. And towards the final turn is Don Enrico, Henry VIII, running by the EJ's Magic. And at the last 150, it is still Don Enrico, leads by length and a half now, followed by Henry VIII, EJ's Magic. And up the wide, it's Don Enrico. Henry VIII, EJ's Magic, Son of Silence, Conquista Royale, Sunline, Grey Angel, and
Yan ang panalo ni Don Enrico. And on the way back to the scales, itong si John Alvin Buse, 1.33 sarado ang naitalang preba over 1,500 meters with quarters of 17.5, 24.5, 25, and still finishing at 26.
Magandang turn of race para kay Don Enrico at with a time of 1 minute 33 seconds flat. Yung ating pista medyo buwag ng focus, hindi naman to hard track, no? So,
saka yung mga kalaban ngayon, mga veteranong 4-year-old, di ba?
Imagine yung first 2 quarters, so 17.5, 24.5. Tapos yung best time ni Don Enrico is 1:32.5, which is 1:30, di ba? So yung ating track condition medyo buwag ng pita. At ayan po yung ating unofficial winner for race number 2, Don Enrico. Magaling na kabayan talaga.
At yung stilong pinakita sa atin ngayon ay sinulog lang. Mukhang talagang tinuturuan ng iba-ibang stilo ng pananakbo itong si Don Enrico. Huwag kang magkamaling paunahin yan at mas magaling yata yan pag nauna. Ngayon, tinuturo ang sumunod.
Yes. That's rider Alvin Buse on Don Enrico.